Alright, children. Please look at the next question that I have sent to you. The question is that X and Y are partners with capitals of 2 lakh and 1 lakh respectively, and the profit sharing ratio is 2 is to 3. There are 6 cases that are given in the question. I'm explaining the cases one by one. Look at the question. Case 1. If partnership deed does not provide for any interest on capital and the profit for the year is 20,000, which means partnership deed is silent. So what are we doing? We are not giving any interest on capital. Case 2. If partnership deed provides for interest on capital at 6% per annum and the loss for the year is 15,000. So partnership deed says interest on capital 6%, but it is not saying that that interest is a charge against profit. So since it is not a charge against profit and there is a loss, we cannot divide the loss. We cannot pay any interest out of that loss. So we are not giving any interest on capital. So case 2, no interest on capital. Case 3. If partnership deed provides for interest on capital at 6% per annum and the profit for the year is 21,000. In that case, I prepare my P&L appropriation account. By P&L account, I bring the net profit here. When I calculate the interest on capital, 2 lakh into 6%, 12,000. 1 lakh into 6%, 6,000. Total interest on capital, 18,000, like we have been doing. Profit is more, interest is less. So I get a profit of 3,000 more, which I divide in the ratio of 2 is to 3. So 3,000 into 2 by 5 and 3,000 into 3 by 5. Done? Let's come to case 4. Case 4 says, if partnership deed provides for interest on capital at 6% per annum as a charge on profit and the profit for the year is 20,000. As soon as I see the word charge against profit, I do not make P&L appropriation account, but I make P&L account. So I write by net profit, right? I do not write by P&L because it is not, I'm not bringing it from the P&L, it is there already in the P&L. So by profit 20,000, interest on capital 12,000 and 6,000, and the profit that remains 20 minus 18, I transfer it to the P&L appropriation account. I am not dividing the profit here because profit is divided in the P&L appropriation account. So I transferred this to the P&L appropriation account. Like we transfer the gross profit to P&L account, similarly we are transferring the net profit to P&L appropriation account. Correct? Case 5. If partnership deed provides for interest on capital at 6% as a charge on profit and the profit for the year is 2,000. Profit is less. So if nothing was mentioned, this 2,000 we would have divided in the ratio of interest on capital. That is in the ratio of 12 and 6,000. But the question says that it is a charge on profit, which means even though the profit is less, I have to pay the full amount of interest on capital in the P&L account. So my profit is 2,000. I pay the complete interest on capital, which makes my debit side more than the credit side, which means there will be a loss. Loss cannot be taken to P&L appropriation account because in the case of loss, we do not prepare any P&L appropriation account. So we divide the net loss over here itself in the P&L account in the ratio of 2 is to 3. Correct? So I close my P&L account by making both debit and credit side equal. Last case, case 6. If partnership deed provides for interest on capital at 6% per annum as a charge on profit and the profit for the year is 18,000. Again, since it is a charge against profit, I am preparing P&L account, not P&L appropriation. Profit 18,000, interest on capital 12,000 and 6,000, which comes to 18,000. Both the sides automatically balance and the P&L account gets closed. Clear?